This is the herringbone half double crochet. It's a variation of the half double crochet, and I really like it because that slight variation that I'm going to show you adds just a little level of interest, of sophistication that you don't get with just a normal half double crochet or even a double crochet or a single crochet. So what I'm going to show you, it creates just a little bit of diagonal in the stitches that go up and down, a little slight hint of a herringbone pattern. So this is how it's worked. Your turning chain from the row below is a chain 2. And then yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through one loop, and now you're going to pull through one more loop. You should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through those last 2 loops. Let me show you again. Let's yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through loop, pull through one more loop, yarn over, pull through those last 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through loop, pull through one more loop, kind of like a slip stitch, yarn over, through those last 2 loops. So just to compare, I'll show you again what the normal half double crochet is, just to remind you, so you can see the difference. It's yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So you're not slip stitching that one loop. So again, this is the herringbone half double crochet. You pull through that one extra loop, and then you have 2 remaining, and you yarn over and pull through those last 2. So do you see the loop around this herringbone half double crochet? It's right there, like a little vertical line. It's not on the regular half double crochet, but it's on the herringbone half double crochets, and that's what gives it its slant, that little herringbone slant. So back to working our herringbone half double crochets. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop, pull through one more loop. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop, pull through one more loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop, pull through one more loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop, pull through one more loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop, pull through one more loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So when you reach the end of your row, you're going to work that last herringbone half double crochet into that last stitch. And then you'll chain 2 and turn. And every row is the same because it's just that same stitch that we're working over and over again. So you can just start at the beginning of the next row, working your herringbone half double crochets. I hope you guys had fun learning this new stitch. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and subscribe for more tutorials every week.